In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your website to Google Analytics. Connecting your website to Google Analytics will help you determine who is visiting your website, where your visitors are coming from. It will also help you to know the highest source of traffic to your website, the keywords people are searching for that lead them to your website. It will even help you to know the pages and blog posts that are most popular on your website. So in this video, I will show you how you can connect your website to Google Analytics in order to determine the performance of your website. If this is what you want, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. Here is the website I want to connect to Google Analytics. Before we get started, it should be noted that reading the analytics of your website on Google Analytics may be overwhelming or even complex. So I want to do the connection directly on WordPress so that you can be able to read your analytics directly from your website. To achieve this, we are going to install a plugin. So to do that, I go to the back end of my website, then I go over to plugins, click on add new. Under search plugins, I search for Google Kit. And this is the plugin I'm going to install, that is Sitekit by Google. I click on install now. It is installed. I go ahead and activate. Congratulations, the Sitekit plugin is now activated. Next, I go ahead and set it up by clicking on Start Setup. From here, I connect Google Analytics as part of my setup. Then I go ahead and sign in with Google. To do this, you should make sure that you have a Gmail account. So from here, I go ahead and choose the Google account I want to use for my Google Analytics. In here, the Sitekit plugin will want additional access to your Google account. It is a trusted plugin by Google itself, so you can go ahead and click on continue. As you can see, I am already verified. If in your case you are not verified, you will be asked to do the verification by clicking on the verify button. Since I'm already verified, I'll just go ahead and click on next. Next thing you want to do is turn on metrics in your dashboard. I click on allow. As you can see here, my website is already added to Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a platform that will help you to submit your website to search engines. I've already made a video on how you can submit your website to search engines. You will find links in the description down below. So if for any reason you are not going through that particular video and you want to use Sitekit to connect to Google Search Console, you can go ahead and do that right from this interface. Since I'm already connected, I'll just go ahead and click on next. The final thing to do is go ahead and set up Google Analytics. I click on next and I'll be redirected back to my website. If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out so that the video will be suggested to more people on YouTube and also benefit more people. Alright, let's continue. Next thing I do is create a new account on Google Analytics. So I go ahead and drop down the arrow right here. As you can see, these are the various websites I've already submitted to Google Analytics. For this one, I set up a new account. And all these details will be filled out for me. The name of my website, the name of the property, and what I want to view is all website data. My country is Ghana and the time zone is right here. Next, I click on create account. I go ahead and choose my account again. I click on continue and I'll be redirected to Google Analytics. In here under country, you make sure you select your country. If for any reason you cannot see your country here, you can just leave it as United States. Next, you go ahead and accept the data processing terms. Under data sharing settings, you make sure all these are selected. After selecting this, you make sure you accept these terms. Going down, you click on I accept. And now your analytics account was created successfully. I click on go to my dashboard and I'll be redirected back to my website. Congrats on completing the setup for Google Analytics. You just go ahead and click on OK. I got it. And now Analytics is gathering data on the visits of your website. It should be noted that it can take up to 48 hours before your statistics will begin to show on your website. As you can see here, it is gathering data right now. Now let's go to the dashboard of our website. And right here, you'll be presented with this widget, which you can use in a brief to check your analytics. For now, it is still gathering data, as you can see right here. So let's give it at least 48 hours. Sometimes it will not get to the 48 hours and you begin to see results right here. You can always visit the SiteKit dashboard in order to read your analytics by clicking on this link. Or you can come over to SiteKit, then you go ahead and click on dashboard. And this is where you can read the analytics for your website. My website is fairly new, so when I begin to generate some traffic, I'll be showing you how you can actually read your analytics. So that's it on how you can connect your website to Google Analytics. Now, if you want to learn how to submit your website to search engines, make sure you stick around to watch this video on your screen right now. Keep watching and I will see you inside that video.